So we driving to the house. By the way, update, right? We're moving to a new house. Our lease is about to be done soon. And right now we're driving there. And literally, yeah, that's what's up. So we came and we're gonna show you guys the new house too. For me, bringing y'all on a trip and shit. Yeah. Yo, we just got here. She's fiending. She went out already to check the other side of the house to see if it's open. She's fiending right now. She's really fiending. But yeah, we waiting on the guy that's gonna come show us the house again, because we saw it already type stuff. We should have been recording that, but yeah, house moving is no joke, son. It's like annoying, but hopefully, like, we've been looking for a place to stay. We live in apartments now, but like this new crib is like something else. It's a townhouse now, so it's like gonna be way different than apartments. You know, we got our own private garage and all that stuff. So definitely looking forward to that. That's like one of my main things as a guy. All right, let me tell you, as a guy, right, I just want a parking spot and a place to sleep. I don't give a fuck about nothing else besides a parking spot. I need the parking spot. I cannot live without a parking spot. I don't want to put my car in a place where it's gonna be next to other cars, because people who don't treat their cars the same. I love my car and I love my own personal parking spot. And females, you feel me? Like my girl, she more of kitchen and bathroom. That's what she needs, kitchen and bathroom. As long as that shit look good, she's fine with that, which is cool. I get her. I understand that too. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's lit, y'all. It's fucking lit. Look. She acting all bougie and shit. Hold on, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Who the fuck? It was open?
No, I didn't touch the door because I'm scared.
The alarm?
Yeah, the porch is bigger than what I thought.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't see it anyway.
I know, so I didn't know. The porch has like a fence that don't let other people see. Do you see that before? Like, I didn't really pay attention to that before.
No, I don't know.
Well, you don't want to go and check the back. So you touch the baby.
Yeah, you're right. No,
Let's go.
Okay. Oh, check the baby out, y'all. Check the baby out. Hold on. Let's just admire that. Look at that. Oh, it looks sexy in front of the garage right now. Hold on. Look at that. Yeah, she's sexy too. Look at that. Oof. Damn. Shit moving. It's pretty big. Not gonna lie. Oh, like that you talking about?
Yeah, like
Yeah, I know that was there.
As you know, you know what I'm gonna get? Watch.
What are you gonna get? Catch us back here. I got a feeling he ain't gonna be too happy. But this is cool though. It's a nice little spot right here. Don't do it. Don't. Uh-huh. Yeah. She's 50 times more excited than me, right?
Yep.
You gotta put the people on to Wayfair.
We haven't even got the house and I'm already getting stuff for the house.
Yeah, I know. You're checking it out. Y'all, look at this, y'all. This is where all my money goes.
It's on sale.
It's on sale?
Yeah, it's on sale 131. So I'm thinking about putting this on the back.
Ah, so how we're gonna have a grill before getting the
Baby,
house.
that's not a grill. It's the, oh my god.
What is it?
It's the coverage. What is that called? I don't know.
I can't see. Relax. Here we go. A grill.
It's not a grill.
Gazebo. It's a tent.
It's a tent. There you go.
For the grill? A tent for the grill.
It's
a tent for the grill. Without even having a grill. No grill, no tent. I mean, no grill, no no house yet. And you buying a tent for the grill for the house that we don't got yet.
No. Now I'm gonna tell people why is that tent for.
Okay, what's the tent for?
Because you are just talking.
What's the tent for? Let's hear this.
It's to put some curtains para tener more privacy in our porch.
Ah,
So
I heard that, right? Privacy, yeah.
So
How about you just
it's-
go to fucking side?
No, I want to be okay. So I'm gonna put something like this type of curtains. So I'm going to put the tent and I'm going to put this.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Do you already imagine in your head?
Yeah, I already imagine. You're trying to make it look like Florida. And then when it snows,
You take the cojines para adentro because this is waterproof, weatherproof. You take the pillows inside and you put it in
if
the
it's
storage.
waterproof, why you gotta take the pillows inside?
Because se va de colorizar. I don't know. Why would I? Yeah, they're gonna stay outside. Well, the tent brings something to close it, maybe, right? To close the tent when we're not using it.
Oh, you're gonna put that under the tent?
Yeah, I'm gonna set it out chilling so I can smoke my hookah back there, you know?
Yeah.
Look at that. You can
Hookah
move
life.
it. You can move and put it like that too.
Oh, that's cool.
It's a setup.
That's cool. That's cool.
I'm gonna be doing the nasty in the couches.
Yeah, with the tent. All right. That's the storage. You know what I'm saying? Storage. It's cool. Man. Here we go. Huh?
You want to take our shoes off? It's no car.
It's not that busy. We good to go? Or you want us to wait for you? Good. All right. Thank you. Damn, we can this the kitchen. Well, this the what is this like the dining? That's the porch we was just on, as y'all saw earlier. Kitchen, living room, chimney, TV probably gonna go around there. Sweet. Oh, awesome. Ah. Bathroom. That's pantry. You doing your own thing too? Going upstairs with it. Carpet all upstairs. Copy. Oh, this shit is fucking tight big. Walk-in closet. Oh my god. This shit like shit type big. God. Okay. There's laundry right here. Oh. Laundry. Bathroom part 2. Oof. Nah, that's crazy. Oh my god, this shit got jets or something? Black and gray is just crazy. Mm-hmm.
So you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, one is 2, well 3 rooms basically. Damn. I didn't notice this shit this time.
I did
What
tell you
the
that the walk-in
Both
closet
of-
was.
Both of the closets I'm walking in is fucking huge. And that's the loft.
Okay. This is gonna be.
Last but not least, that's the last one. This shit is fucking. I don't front. You could put my shit.
I'm excited.
Good now, right? Oh my god.
You showed them the up on the top and the bathroom.
Yeah, I showed the tub because I was looking at it. I was like, what's these jets? It only meant one thing. It was just the matter of if it worked.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, does these things work?
That shit was crazy.
You should have.
Anyway.
You should have